What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we hit 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, which is crazy to me. I would have never thought we'd hit 3,000 subscribers in less than 2 months. So that's just mind-blowing. So big shout out to all of you guys. If you are not subscribed, please do so, because when I see those numbers go up, it just encourages me more to create more videos for you guys. And since the ball is rolling, as they say, if the ball rolls, don't stop, keep it pushing. So expect more videos from me coming up, and they will happen. And I do read your comments. I just get caught up sometimes. I get caught up with the rugs, and if not the rugs, I'm editing. And if I'm not editing, working, obviously I work as well. But I read your comments, and I do see your ideas, and I do see your suggestions. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Once again, I really appreciate you guys, and yeah, expect more videos coming up. So yeah, so before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that I am selling my camera, my Canon 5D Mark III with my 16-35, 24-70, and my 35 1.4. In case any of you guys are interested, message me on Instagram at 95shoots. I am selling it. I don't want to let it go, but I think it's time. That's my baby. I don't mind if I don't sell it, but if anyone wants to get it off my hands, I wouldn't mind that either. But yeah, also, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to message me on Instagram. I always try my best to message you guys back. That's where I take most of my commissions. If you guys want to see some of the behind the scenes, follow me there. That's where I post up what videos I'm going to post up next on my YouTube channel. So just give me a follow, check it out. And if you like my work, you know, just like my posts and stuff. Engagement. It's all about engagement anywhere you go nowadays. So if it's on Instagram, if it's on YouTube, if it's on Twitter, as long as there's engagement, you know, you will boost up. Maybe in the future I will make a video on how to promote yourself. I've noticed something so far that have been working for me as far as with my posts on Instagram or my Twitter posts or my YouTube channels, like my tags and stuff. So if you guys want to see something like that, comment down below, because I think that's something really important to know, how to promote yourself, how to get out there, what to do, what not to do. So yeah, let me know, and I'll probably do a video on that in the future. Okay, so now let's get started. So this rug behind me is a Kid Cudi rug. It's 4.5 feet wide by 2 feet. And when someone said they wanted this rug, I was super excited to create it, just because, I mean, look at it. It's dope, dude. It's freaking huge too. It's not even the finished product yet. Below me, there's this other rug that says Bag Junkie. That one came out really nice. And then to my left, this one says Escobar. That one came out really nice as well. So this one here has glue already, but I finished my glue on that one, which sucks. But I did buy some glue about a month and a half ago, and it arrived. I just haven't used it, I haven't opened it. So here, let me show you. So this here is a 4-gallon bucket of glue, super heavy and super expensive. I mean, it was 90 bucks, not that expensive, but with shipping and handling, because it's so heavy, it ended up being around $170, $165, around there, which is pretty expensive if you ask me. But I was just tired of buying those 1-gallon buckets from Amazon. So I thought, why not buy this and then show you guys if this glue is really good, and then give you guys my honest opinion. And if you guys like it, maybe you guys could buy it. But yeah, so this is what this video is going to be about. I'm gonna test out this new glue on these 2 rugs, and then towards the end I'm going to show you what I've been doing differently on the edges. Nothing crazy, nothing, you know, drastically different. But yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned and watch this, let's get started. So let's go. All right, let's open this. Let's check it out. All right, there it is. Check it out. Once again, it's AAT1132. Let's open it up and let's see how it is. We bought it, we're gonna use it. It's rug compound. We're gonna use it on this rug and on that rug. And then once it's all dried up, I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And yeah, so let me get started. All right, so the glue is finally dried up. It dried up pretty fast, which is a good thing. But there is a bad thing about this glue, and that's the way it dries up. Although it does dry up super fast, it dries pretty stiff. And that worries me, because when I have to roll it up to ship it out, I feel like it's gonna be hard to roll. And if I force it, it's gonna like crumble into pieces. I hope that's not the case. But if that does happen, I feel like I should be fine, because I do use this Roberts glue behind the rug to stick on the final backing. So I feel like that should be my safety net. But yeah, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna continue using this glue. It's fine if I do use this glue and I give it to the customer. Obviously, people who are from LA, who I can just hand it to and I don't have to ship out. But we won't really know until I finally cut it all out, and then I put the final back in it, and then I attempt to roll it. But if it works fine, then I'll continue using it. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to buy another 4 gallons of that, because yeah, it's pretty stiff, and honestly it's kind of worrying me. So I'm hoping for the best. Yeah, so what I wanted to show you guys was what I've changed up by doing the edges. So what I used to do is I used to cut the edges, and then I used to fold it, and then I used to use the same latex glue to glue it on. That would take some time, obviously, because the latex glue would take a while to dry up. So now what I do is I use a heat gun. Now this is much faster, and anything that makes anything much faster is better. So that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna cut it out, and then I'm gonna fold the edges, and then I use a hot glue gun. And then after that, when all the edges are done, I put the Roberts glue and I put the final backing, and then we should see if that glue holds up or not. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do. Super brief, but yeah, and then we'll see tomorrow how it works. All right, so this is what I do. So this glue is pretty stiff, pretty strong, I'm not gonna lie, which is a good thing. So what I did here was basically just cut an outline following the path of the design, and then I cut some slits into the cloth, and then right now I'm just waiting for my heat gun to heat up, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. As I said, I used to put latex glue and then wait for it to dry, but obviously the hot glue gun is much faster. So I guess here we could use these as an example on how this is going to work once I fold it, because these do have glue. So let's test it out and see how they look, or let's see what happens. I'm hoping it doesn't crumble. And I mean, it's holding, so it looks like we should be fine. It's not, I was hoping that I wasn't going to like frost, and it's not frosting, it's not crumbling into pieces. So you know when you eat glazed donuts and then you get glaze obviously on your hands, and then it's kind of sticky, and then like you could take it off, but you still have those little pieces on your hands. Basically, this is exactly how it dried on my hands. So it would stick onto my hands, and it wasn't impossible to take off, but it wasn't sticky. So that's my worry. And I mean, so far, I mean, it feels durable, so I think we should be good. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my heat gun to heat up, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. All right, so now that my hot glue gun is ready to go, basically all I do is just put some hot glue, and then I just fold it up. Hold it there for a second, and then let it dry, and then do that all along the way. Now, this is much faster than what I used to do, so I'm okay with doing this. And this is exactly how I do my rugs. For some reason, like this new glue that I'm using, it's I don't know, I feel like it's not gonna work, but I mean, so far it's been passing all the tests, which is, you know, stay glued onto this, not crumble when I fold these little slats because they have glue on them. But I mean, so far it's looking good. So yeah, this is what I do. It's time consuming, but as I said, everything about doing these rugs is time consuming. So if you don't have patience, good luck. But yeah, so now you guys know what I do to my edges. Well, what I've been doing lately to my edges, and it's been working great for me. So if you guys want to try that out, give it a go, and then let me know. What is up, guys? So a couple days have passed, and the rugs are all dried up. They're all ready to go. Let me show you real quick. So this here is Kid Cudi at 4.5 feet tall. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out really great. I actually really enjoyed creating this one. Yeah, I still have to pass it over with the lint roller, take off the strands that are loose, but it's pretty much ready to go. As far as the glue though, obviously I did have my doubts on it, but I take those back. This glue did great. I was expecting it to be really stiff and not be able to roll, but I am able to roll it. Obviously I did have my doubt that I wasn't gonna be able to roll it, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna use it again. But yeah, no, I take that back. This glue is, it's good. So if you guys wanna buy it, once again, it's called AAT1132. Obviously this video is not sponsored because, I mean, I'm no one. But yeah, if you guys wanna check it out, buy it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I don't know what else to say. I think this video is done here. I get kind of lost when I create these videos, so my bad if they're a little bit all over the place or sometimes they don't make that much sense, because believe it or not, I do re-record a lot of these clips. But yeah, I'm trying my best. With that being said, I just want to thank you guys once again for watching my videos, and I hope you guys have been enjoying them lately. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As I said before, when I see these numbers go up, it just encourages me more to create these videos for you guys. And yeah, I think the next video is going to be me dropping off these rugs at the post office. But if I don't create that, I will make a video on how I create my custom boxes in case you guys want to check that out. That will probably be my next video. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.